Hey, Sean here from the Rusty Shovel, and in this video we're going to talk about a new product from Turf. It's called Paw Pro, so a more pet-friendly turf. Now, all of our turfs are going to be pet-friendly. They don't absorb any water or moisture, and they all drain, so you don't have to worry about that. The biggest thing with turf is watching the infill. What Paw Pro does is just add a few extra added benefits to make it that much more user-friendly for pets, and brings the price point down a little bit as well, so that if you're just using it for a dog run, we're going to have 6.5 foot rules in stock here to be able to run it out. Also comes in 13 foot widths. So the biggest difference with Paw Pro, it's going to be a little bit shorter, so the pile height is a little bit shorter. It's got a little bit less material in there. That's how they're able to bring the price down. Anti-Microbial Backing to this sucker, so really solid turf, so it's going to just help with that extra odor and that sort of thing, bringing that down. The shorter pile height makes it easier to pick up the number twos, so that makes things a little bit better as well. But the nice thing about this turf that you won't find in a lot of other pet turfs is you still get the texture in the structure in the blade. So this has got their wave blade technology in there, and that's going to make the grass stand up for longer and look better, not look so shiny and matted over and gross. So that's Paw Pro from Turf, great new addition to their already pet-friendly lineup.